Alphabet, very interesting what's playing out in my opinion. So this was your B wave top, and look what's followed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your third wave. There's your fourth wave. Clearly a fourth wave in my opinion, because look, you see how price is making a lower high right there, but the composite index is making a higher high. Very common in down market and downtrends. Hitting a Fibonacci confluence zone, throwing off a bear signal. One more drop, say 119, and that's going to be a very clean, clear 5-wave drop from the high. And any bounce you get from there is your chance to de-risk if you want to. Some people just don't care and they just want to be long-term holders, and that's great. But know your time horizon, know your risk tolerance. Once we get a 1-2, I can give you more specific targets, but I think we will be going lower than the November low.